Welcome to Show Me Gardening with Row Trees, and on today I will be showing you how I started my seeds in my Yoocaa Hydroponics Growing System. I just grabbed my nutrients that came with my system, plant food A and plant food B, and now I'm filling the bottles up with purified water. Giving each bottle a good shake to make sure the solids get turned into liquids. That both bottles are filled, we're going to give them another good shake. Shakety shake, shake, shake. Shake. And now I have measured out 3 milliliters of water. Sorry, that's 3 liters of water. And now I'm going to measure out 15 milliliters of plant food A and adding it to the 3 liters of water. There's plant food A, and I'm adding it to the water. Now for plant food B, 15 milliliters of nutrients from plant food B as well. Now I will add the purified water and nutrient solution to the system, filling it up to its maximum capacity. I soaked the grow sponges in purified water and previously put the plastic baskets into the system, and now I'm adding the grow sponges into those plastic baskets. And I'm going to sow my seeds. The seeds that I sowed are dark purple opal basil, old Tokyo Kamatsuna, and some lemon mint, all that I won in a giveaway from At Home with Cherie. And I also sowed peppermint, lemon balm, and Bib and butter crunch lettuce. I got all the seeds sown, and now I'm going to put the plastic domes over the sponges. And the pods that I didn't use, I received some caps to cover those pods. Came with the system, which is a good thing. And now I'm labeling each thing that I sowed. Got everything labeled, and ta-da! It's ready to start growing. Continue to follow me on this journey. Thank you. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching Show Me Gardening with Row Trees.